Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Anthony. His parents were busy with work, so he had a kind nanny who looked after him. The nanny also had a little son named Luis, who was Anthony's friend. Anthony and Luis used to play together. Anthony had many toys. Whenever a new toy came on the market, Anthony forced his parents to buy it for him. Even if his parents were not willing, they had to buy it, much against their wishes. Otherwise, Anthony would start crying. He would mess up his room. He would shout,
"I want that toy!"
Anthony's friend Luis often noticed the way Anthony behaved. Luis decided to teach Anthony a lesson. One day, Luis invited Anthony to his own house. Anthony was excited because he had never been to Luis's place before. Luis's house was very small. It had only 2 rooms. Luis took out his toys. There were only 3 to 4 toys. Anthony was shocked. He asked Luis,
"Where are your other toys?"
Luis replied with a smile,
"These are all the toys I have. Let us play with them. It will be lots of fun."
Soon, they started playing happily. After they had finished playing, Anthony started walking towards his house. He said to himself,
"I don't need so many toys. I can have fun even with fewer toys."
That day, Anthony went home and told his parents,
"Other toys. If Luis, with just 4 toys, can be happy, then even I can be happy with what I have."
Anthony's parents were very happy. They were proud of their son. Moral: happiness doesn't come from having lots of toys or things. True happiness comes from enjoying what you already have. Sometimes, seeing how others are content with less can teach us important lessons about gratitude and finding joy in simple pleasures. It's not about how much you have, but how you cherish what you have, which brings real happiness.